Hi everyone, this is Hemant from Team Hayat. For Smart India Hackathon 2024, we chosen to address the problem statement from the Smart Automation theme in a student innovation category in software. Our problem statement title is Real-Time Social Media and News Sentiment Analysis for Enhanced State and Central Governance. The problem we are addressing is that government need more accurate and real-time feedback on how people feel about their policies and actions to improve governance. So while we have news channels provide some insights of how people reacting towards the government, those news channels will be biased towards the opposite party or towards a specific entity, making it hard to measure how genuine public sentiment is. So one possible solution is that social media platforms like Twitter, Facebook, and YouTube are more direct and real time reactions from the public. So, our goal is to develop a system that collects the news data or the content, the comments of people, the posts of editors and reporters from various platforms like news websites, Twitter posts, Facebook, and YouTube content, and analyze the data from these platforms to track how public are reacting towards the government. So this system will work at both state and central levels, giving the government a clear picture of how people are feeling across different regions. In addition, we will develop a feature that provides public opinion at a local level, focusing on specific cities or regions like Hyderabad or Bangalore. So this will help us understand how people in different parts of the country are reacting to their specific central, local and regional governments. So by doing this, the government can make more informed decisions based on the actual reactions and needs of the people. So this is our prototype for the problem statement we have chosen. This news analyzer collects news across different social media platforms and news websites and categorizes it into different ministries of India. Let's say that Ministry of Education, Business, and Ministry of Information Technology IT and Department of Agriculture. First, we will collect news and categorize into different departments. So let's say that we chosen and the education department for our prototype. So if we just want to read news about the Ministry of Education, we'll go there and we'll find different types of articles which are positive to the government and negative to the government. So let's say that here we have the IIT Bombay receives historic 130 crore donations from some company. So this is a positive news towards the government from the India Today website. So if you just click on this website, you'll directly go to the live article where you can find the news in detail about it. So if you just see the another thing from the Hindustan Times, we have 40,000 candidates will be recruited to UPSSCs, says Uttar Pradesh Chief Minister. So this is also a positive news. And here also we have some positive news about IIT Madras. And we have some neutral news about the NTA announces some results. So these are collected from news channels, and the negative news is from the Times of India about 30% of IITians across 23 campuses didn't placed in 2024. So if we just go there, we'll be directly linked to the original website. So this is the news articles thing, and if you just scroll down, we'll have positive and negative news about the education department in YouTube channels. So if you just see this news, this news is positive about the education department in India, stating that we have some growing emphasis in education. So if you just click on this, the news will be played about the growing emphasis on education. So you can just see here. So, and if you just want to see how what are the negative things, we can play it here. So these negative things will also be calculated not only based on the video content but also how people are reacting towards government in YouTube comments. So if you just see these particular two videos comments, here we can see that public are actually praising government in case of this news website in the YouTube comments, and in this particular YouTube channel's video, public are reacting negatively towards the government that they need to change the way of education system. So, and also we have some negative news from the Twitter. So if you just open it, it will be redirecting to the Twitter post where the news is from Delhi, from Atishi, where they are telling that they are allocating budget to the 25% and 12% for the healthcare. This is a positive news, but we classified it negative only because the people in the comment section are reacting negatively towards the government. So if you just see in the comment section where the real public sentiment will be visible, we can see that all these people are reacting negatively to this post. So we categorized this particular content into negative towards the government. So in this situation for the education department, we are classifying it to positive and neutral and negative news from news articles, from YouTube videos, and also from the Twitter posts. So for our prototype, we chose to display the negative news also, but if we want, according to the central government's opinion or choices, we can just intimate to that specific department that these are the areas in the social media or posts that are negative about it without showing it publicly on website. So this is about the education department. Similar to this, we also have the business department, the Ministry of Information Technology IT, and the Ministry of Agriculture. And the next thing is about the regional news. We have, for our prototype, we have chosen some of the famous cities of India, and we chosen Bangalore to explore it more. So here we can find out the latest news in the Bangalore, which are positive and negative towards the central government. So in this page also, along with the news articles, we will analyze YouTube videos and Twitter posts which are regional specific to Bangalore city. So here you can see that in this post, this is very positive to the government that 25 lakh metro riders in city opt for QR code tickets. So if you just click on this, you can see that metro passengers are increasing, favoring QR codes ticketing from traditional token. So this will be a positive news towards this government metro thing. And if you just go to the negative news, here you can see that from Hindustan Times, leopard spotted crossing flyover in Bangalore's electronic city. So this is definitely a negative news towards the government. So we classified it as negative. So this is our website, our prototype to help government to know and understand public sentiment not only from news but also from social media content such as Twitter posts and comments, YouTube videos, and how public are commenting towards government in those videos. So this is our prototype.